Hi guys! Today we are making a delicious homemade blood orange curd. You want to start by freshly squeezing the blood orange juice. You can do that with a juicer, or you can also do that just with your hands like I'm doing here. For this recipe, you want to weigh the juice just to be sure that the consistency of the curd is right. So what I did, I just pressed about 200 milliliters of the juice and then I did weigh it to make sure it's about 200 grams. Then you want to sieve the juice just to get any of the fruit or the pulp out and any seeds that might have escaped into your juice. Now, in a small pot, start whisking the egg yolks and the sugar until well combined. And once combined, you can start adding the juice and also mixing the juice in well. At this point, you really want to kind of wiggle the pot to see that everything is well mixed in, because otherwise you might have some spots with sugar or egg yolk left at the bottom of your pot. Now you want to transfer the pot to heat and start heating it with a thermometer until the mix reaches 85 degrees. While you're heating, you want to keep mixing, because otherwise the egg yolks will start to cook and you will end up with an egg scramble, and that's not something you want. So keep mixing while you're heating the mix. Once it's reached 85 degrees, remove from heat, and to speed up the cooling process, you can transfer it into a separate bowl and allow it to cool to 50 degrees. Now that the mix has cooled to 50 degrees, I'm going to add the butter. And I'm going to blend it with an immersion blender until I have a nice and silky curd. At this point, the curd will be very liquidy. It will harden a little, so don't worry about that. But if you want to have a really thick curd, then just increase the amount of butter that you add into the curd. Once your curd is ready, transfer it to clean jars and allow to come to room temperature before storing them in the fridge. You want to store the curd in the fridge before serving, because that's when it gets the nice and thick and creamy texture. You can use this lemon curd for cakes or for macarons, or you can just spread it on some toast or on some pancakes. So there are many fun ways to use this delicious curd. I hope you enjoyed this homemade blood orange curd recipe, and if you did, please don't forget to leave me a like for support and subscribe for some more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.